Hello Meow, long time no see. Whoa, you grown up.
I am going to revenge.
Whoa, a nice voice. Why you wanna revenge me?
Remember when I knock on your house?
Oh yeah?
What's your last words?
What do you mean?
I have a gun.
So?
I want you to die.
Okay, and?
Shut up, I have a goonie will kill you cause you killed me.
Goonie, lol. Well, I have a void demon.
Why?
I have a void demon.
Why did you summon me?
Kill this girl.
Okay.
Ah,
Ouch.
ah,
Ouch. Kill this girl.
Okay.
ah.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
Don't worry, I am still alive.